Hi Year 10, some of you had troubles with this particular activity, so I'm just going to go over the basics with you again because you're going to try it today. Now you have to remember to add and subtract like terms only. That means they have to have exactly the same letters. Numbers doesn't really matter, the letters matter. Okay, so in this first one here, I'm going to circle all the ones with the plus or the minus symbol that's in front that have the same letter. I can add them together. Okay, most of you got this, some of you missed it. So 3m, now in front of the 6m is a plus, so you do 3m plus 6m makes 9m. Then you look at the numbers on their own, and you got a plus 5 and a plus 6. You must make sure you look at the symbol that's in front. That will tell you whether it's going to be adding or subtracting. So plus 5 plus 6 makes positive 11. So if my answer is positive, I put down a plus. If it's negative, I'll put down a negative. Now I'm going to do the bottom three because some of you had troubles with those. So the first thing I'll do is I'm going to circle all the A's and the symbol that's in, that's in front of that particular letter. So I've got 14A, I've got a plus 6A, and I've got a minus 5A. Now if your arithmetic's not good, do this on your calculator. 14 plus 6 minus 5. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 take away 5 is, my arithmetic's not good either, 15. Don't forget to put the letter A after it. And then you're going to collect the 9 and the 4B. Now in front of the 4B is a minus. So you've got to go 9B minus 4B. 9 minus 4 is plus 5B. Remember, we don't combine the numbers if the letters are different. So in the second one across, I'm going to do 9x minus 5x minus 5x again. Remember, if you're not good with this, do it on your calculator. 9 take away 5 is 4. And then 4 take away 5 again. You've got to jump over the 0 on the number line. It becomes negative 1x. Now remember, you don't have to write the 1 in. Just negative x is fine. Okay, now I've got negative 3y plus 10y. Negative 3 plus 10 makes, do it on your calculator if you're not sure, it gives me an answer of positive 7. So I'm going to put a plus down, okay? Just because a negative is in front of the 3 doesn't mean your answer is going to be negative, all right? Remember your number line or do your calculator. So what was the answer? Sorry. Minus 3 plus 10 is minus 7y. Positive 7y, excuse me. So therefore my answer could be written as negative x plus 7y, or you could turn them around if you wanted and write 7y minus x. Either of those is actually correct. And the last one, 17r plus 18r. There's only two r's there, so I'm going to do those two together first. So 17 in front of the 18r is a plus, so that's telling me to add those. 17 plus 18 is 35, I think. 35r, so I'm going to check that on their calculator for me. And then I'm going to do the x's. I've got a minus 15x there. Don't forget, circle the sign in front of the 15. And then, oh, it's an s, not an x. And then I've got plus 15x. S, miss, not x. Sorry, bad glasses. Minus 15 plus 15 equals 0. So when you get a 0 answer, you don't have to write them at all. Now all you're left with is that number over there, minus 13. It doesn't have an r with it, so you can't combine 35 and take away 13 from it. Your answer is just 35r, take away 13. See you soon.